Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to enable an on-screen keyboard that you can control with either the trackpad on your Mac or you can use through connection with an external mouse. So first we're going to want to make sure that our computer is on and nothing is in full screen mode because we have to see this top left hand corner up here. So first we're going to use this little Apple logo. We're going to click on that and then right under it click on System Preferences. Then we're going to either in the search bar or here on this little accessibility logo down here, whatever's quicker for you. And then on the left, we're going to scroll down till we see Keyboard under Motor Functions. And it immediately goes to Hardware, so we need to click on Accessibility Keyboard. And then you're going to just check the box, Enable Accessibility Keyboard. And now you see this little keyboard up here. So you can X out of this accessibility tab. And just to show you an example of something you can use this for, if you wanted to create a little sticky for yourself, let's say lunch at 5. So you can see that the keyboard gave some suggestions, and this keyboard can actually also be used with some sort of eye tracking technology. That's something different, but I thought that was interesting to share that it can actually help with that as well. So now just to show you how to get it away, we're going to go back to that Apple logo, back to System Preferences, where we turn the keyboard on under Keyboard and Accessibility. Here it is. And then we're just going to check that box again and it'll go away. And we just have to click OK. So there you go. That's it.